Imagine a time when each letter you wanted to document was struck onto paper by a mechanical beast, the typewriter. With the click and clack of keys, every word was etched laboriously onto the page. But then we shifted to the personal computer, armed with a QWERTY keyboard, a gentler touch than the typewriter, a quiet efficiency that embraced the rapid pace of life. In the dawn of the 21st century, we exchanged tactile for touch, dancing lightly on screens of glass, swiping and pinching, no longer bound by physical keys. We dove into a world where the tangible and virtual interplayed. Now we stand at the cusp of air-powered computers, responsive to our fingertips. The human-computer interaction has reached harmony, an elegant symphony of technology and gestures. This is our story, from the typewriter to the floating touches in thin air, typewriter to touchscreen, a digitized journey.